Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like through this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, 15, 20 hours, after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So nothing new has changed, over the past few days as far as, that first question that you're going to want to ask yourself. So let's just use that 20-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 20 hours after I upload it. Question number one just simply becomes, where's the price at relative to 8,400? As long as you are answering the question that the price is up above 8,400, then from the big picture point of view, everything is still perfectly fine. And I kind of emphasize big picture because I get it. If you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within, 20 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, you really don't want to see the price going down to the 8,400 mark, or excuse me, 8,800, not 8,400. Sorry about that. So let me clarify. 8,800 is the value of that green line right there. So point being that, let's just say that actually the price does go down to 8,800. So the price comes down here, and like I said, you're watching this 20 hours from now, and the price is sitting right around there. What does that still tell you about the big picture of things? Well, that would still tell you that you still have an opportunity to build a low right there, and then you have lows right there. You have these lows down there. And if you envision each of those as stair steps, then big picture-wise, the overall stair steps are still progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see, assuming, again, like I said, you care about the grand scheme of things. If you're some sort of day trader and you bought up at that one location, then yeah, you really don't care about these stair steps. But assuming you do care about more so than just, wanting to buy and sell within 20 minutes, then, that is why that area is so important, because it's just a very straightforward area that makes mapping out, the health of the overall consolidation quite straightforward. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, as of right now, and I've talked about this in the past, but I'm going to go ahead and finally get it just mapped out here. But it's become very apparent that this area up here at 9,400, so let's change that to red for resistance. So that's going to be the key battleground going forward. Now, if you're answering the question, well, Clay, yeah, not only is the price up above 8,800, but it's actually up above 9,400, well, then at that point in time, you just let your gut instincts and common sense take over. That would be telling you that, well, not only has this current consolidation been healthy, but now all of a sudden the price is breaking out to new highs. And that's always a good thing and something that you would want to see. So like I said, from that angle, it becomes very, apparent. I mean, if the price is sitting, just slightly above it, don't get me wrong, that's still a breakout. That's definitely still a good thing. But if the price is sitting up there at, 10,000, well, that's a whole nother ball game right there, and that just would, represent the bulls having, that much more power. So overall, though, definitely a great looking chart, and the healthy consolidation continues. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.